All right, guys, we got our R2 cargo cover here, as you see. Comes all the way out, goes back in. I'm going to show you how to install it here in our R2. So it's pretty simple. You want to take the device, take the cargo cover. You're going to go all the way in, kind of sideways, and then you're just going to go all the way to the back, and then these will line up. So as you see, there's a square piece here on the end. We're just going to move that into position, and you're going to push in. It's spring loaded, so you're going to push all the way in until it drops into place. And then once it's in, as you see, you're just going to pull firmly all the way until it locks in, as you see there. So now it's fully installed. It's that quick. To get this out, you're going to pull towards you and kind of tip up, and it'll slide right in. Again, you're just going to pull very firmly, and as you feel, it's snapped into place. Again, to release, go up and go in. And to uninstall this, same thing. We're going to push in on one side, and then we're going to bring out that, and it's out. Again, the pieces that we're talking about is there is a male end that goes into a female end up there. This is also spring loaded, as you see. It is spring loaded on both sides. Now, some people are going to ask, does this fit in the bottom down here? No, it does not. So again, it can sit here as such if you want, and if you cover this, you see it's going to sit up like that. So no, this does not actually fit under here. There's no way to get it to, even if I take it this way and go under, it does not fit into the car. So if you don't want to use this, or you need to take it out, you have to have somewhere to put it. So again, I'm going to take it out here. Close that up. Again, we're going to reinstall it really quick. Take this in, and you're going to match it to these holes that you see over here. It's very simple. You're going to take it in. We're going to go here. I'm going to put one in, as you see on that side. I'm going to take the other, drop it into place, give it a nice firm wiggle, and from there, that's it. It's all the way in. And again, there it goes. And it does have a little bit of give in it, which is fine, but it's in place. And you guys, that's the R2 cargo cover. Pretty simple install. Anybody can do it. Shouldn't take you no more than about 30 seconds to put it in. And that's about it.